want it. Is that it? Right here. Got it?
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm quarter rocks. I play the motherfucking clock. We ain't switching pawn. Watch out the top when I'm on the block. See different hoes.
Hit the gauge or this.
Okay.
See how I'm missing it? It's actually designed to be tightened down like it's not finger tight.
Okay.
And what you do is, since this is all laid out, this all got air in it. So what you do is you turn the fuel. It says gas. This is the one that has the smell. And you just turn it on full blast. Now you just feel air, and then the acetylene's coming here. Now I just smelled it. See, and I turned it off.
Oh, okay.
Same thing with the oxygen. I go like this. Just, you know, the regular air is coming out, and then the oxygen hits, and that way it lights up like it should. So you put this one here, you just turn it to where you can barely feel it coming out. I barely feel it. That way you don't have a giant flame, and you light it. Then you make it a little bigger, and then you turn this on. And you're somewhat ready, and you hand me that thing, the wire.
The one right.
It's right here.
Do you need that too?
You go like this. This is too long, see? And then this pipe thing is kind of basic, but you actually have to bend the wire kind of to come across the top.
Yeah.
See? Now, you just heat it up. See, there's a weld there. You see the weld we did?
Yeah.
The one on the other side. There's a weld there, so we're going to put a weld in between. I just saw here, we need to tap that closed.
The one on the other side as well too. It's underneath.
Think so?
Yeah, I know so.
Ow!
Hold on.
Something in my pocket.
Hold on now.
Oh, this hurt. That hurt.
Got a bolt.
I got a bruise on my rear that looks shaped just like that bolt.
Damn.
Okay, we got to tap this pipe down so we want to get any little hammer.
All right.
See, the gap's too big.
All right.
Right there. That's where you want it?
That's where I want it.
Turn this wire speed down a little bit. See if we can turn it back up. we got to do another weld, but that cord's too long. This thing's not welding with the power I need. Too close. I hope we're not running out of settling. Go in there, see what it. Yeah, that one's filled. So basically, it's strong. All we're doing is making it not leak now, you know. Amazing how you put the heat on it and you can see everything. Like weird. Sort of like everything stands out. The truth is, this wire is one size down from what we. Where'd the kablammer go?
I got one right here.
No, I need to use the small end. It just was in my hand. There we go. Good. Oh, I'm going to look at this. See, now, this is the deal where you actually, this is when I want you to be fussy if you don't want to have a crappy job. You know what I mean? Like if you say, oh, there's a hole. I don't want to, I'm not in a hurry here to do a crappy job. You see how easy it is. And I put this on a bench and you can, all you do is, the trick is real simple, but you're at the wrong angle for seeing what's going on. Yeah, this is where it's at. And what I'm trying to say is all you do is, this front pipe, the original pipe is actually the tiniest bit thicker. See, and I'm heating it up. And what you do is you get them both red, and then you come in here with this, see? And it just kind of puddles on. Got me?
Okay, as on it, Bill.
And you just sit there and you go like that. You get this red, and then that red. And then you put this in the middle, and that's adding the metal. See how it goes in? And then you stop like that, and you do a little circle in the middle. And you favor the thicker pipe. See how it turns to a puddle? It's already done. Now we go to the top here. Like I said, we got to curve this. See what I mean? This is not just going to help me. I'm coming into the top now, see? So I got to drop it in like that. That's the reason the welder, see, would hit the frame. Yeah. Hang on. Who what?
Any good?
What? Oh, yeah, I think we need it real bad. What brand is it? Oh yeah, that one's the gold. Oh yeah, I don't know which one it would fit on, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna try it. Trying to look over here. You're not getting nothing but the back side of the pipe. You got to see
I can see it right in there.
No, I'm saying, look at this is working out good. You just got to catch this. See, I'm putting all the metal up there. It's not melted yet. There you go. And then you go like this. You see, the front pipe's thicker, so I got to heat it up longer. And then I go to the middle, and I go to the front pipe. And as soon as I see it melting in the middle, believe it or not, in the old days they didn't have electric welders to speak of, and so they would actually weld airplane frames together just like this. And then the problem was is that when the weld cooled, that's when it was either done right or wrong. You had to really watch the cooling process. It was a real art, if you know what I'm trying to say. See how it kind of smooths over? All good. Now, that's when you got to hand this under to me. This one. This one's too short. You got to go get me a better one. I'm gonna start over because that's, I mean, too small. Part. Barely see. Good web right here. Good.